behalf of the Philippine delegates, we, the Psychiatrists of the Philippines, would like to thank the American Wellness Center for welcoming us to your facility. It is really a nice and an innovative center. We hope we can have something like this in the Philippines. Thank you very much and more power.
Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Bernadette Arsena from the Philippines, and I'm very happy to be here at the American Wellness Center, wherein we were able to meet Dr. Tahir and Dr. Hana. And I'd like to say I am very much impressed with the amazing welcome, and our discussions about the case are very remarkable. And I'd like to thank everyone for the warm reception, and we dearly love it here, and I hope we can go back here again. Salamat from the Philippines.